Hi ma'am, this is Sharan. My register number is YRK17C036 and I am going to tell about, and the topic is about strings, and my questions are 1, 3, 5, and first question is about write a function called reverse it that reverses C string used for a loops first and last characters, the second next last characters, and should be reversed it. Argument, write a program to reverse it. The program should get a string user call and use as an input blanks and test the program with the Napoleon famous phrase table I was a should reverse it. So I am going to show the source code now. Here comes to the source code, and we have used a void string void to reverse it, and character as pointer variable p, and we have declared the integer variable and the integer of the length we have taken as a string length p, and we have used the for loop and character also we have used for the swapping. And for this the main function we have declared the string that what we have to declare, and able I have declared that able was a Ivory and Bella and characters with it, and I have used here do while loop. In do while loop we have to enter the reverse of a string, and that finally to ask that do you want to continue and C in as a string, and while character not equal to n it will return to 0. I am going to execute it. Here comes the source code output that reverse of a string is able was a array of cycle, and do you want to continue? Yes, why? Third question is about give a string recursively remove adjacent duplicate characteristics from string. The output string should be example. See following examples. Input as AWZ. Here we have to remove the AZZ, where repeating variables we have to repeat, and it is finally prints as AY. Final prints as AY, and here for the jigs frog it is using. So I am going to the source code. Here comes to the source code, and I have used a character variable as remove edges and the duplicate, and character I have declared the arguments as character variable as int in, and here I use if else statement as if s is not equal to s of I, then sk equal to else while loop, else while we have declared, and here we have used the if else statement here. If k not equal to n, then remove adjacent duplicate. In the main function we have declared that the way in the questions what we have declared, and shown that, and finally it will show that it will remove the x's and things, and I'm going to execute. Here comes the output as AY, GKFR and ACC. Coming to the next question. My next question is fifth question, and write a C++ program to build a reciprocal dictionary order. We have to write the program. I am going to the source code. I have declared the main variable as a string 5, and temporary variable I have used, and I have declared that this out as 5 words. We can give any number of words, and for if I have given 5 words. In the for loop I have used 5 I less than 5 and I plus plus, and I have used the getLine character also, and I have declared the two another for loops for which string for the next another variables, and I have declared the temporary variable here, and the string is less than greater than string j, temp equal to and here, and the cout will be in the reciprocal order, and if I have used the for loop here, and the cout of the string will be written, I will set to return 0, and then execute the program. I have declared, I show the 5 words as here comes it into the alphabetical order C D H L R, and thank you for watching the video.